this video, I'll detail how to get the record button on iPhone on iOS 16, iOS 17, iOS 15 or earlier. So if you have an iPhone with iOS 17 and beneath, then this video is going to show you how you can easily get the record button on the control center like this. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do when you want to get the record button on your iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down until you get to control center, click on that. Now you're going to have different controls here. You see, these are the controls you included in your iPhone control center. And if you come down to more controls, you have access to more controls on your iPhone. Now to get the record button on your iPhone, locate the blue button beside the screen recording button and then tap on it. Then once you tap that, you can just scroll up. Then you should see the screen recording button added to your iPhone. Then you can just use this to rearrange the controls here. So for easy access, then once positioned, just go back to your iPhone home screen. Then go to your iPhone control center. Then one of the control center, you should see the screen recording button added to the control center. So once you press and hold this like this, then just go ahead and turn on mic by clicking on the microphone, and it's going to change to red background. After that, you can just go ahead and click on start recording. So you see that? So that is basically how to get the screen record button on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.